Today Foodie Rides come up with a quick and easy breakfast recipe. Here is we guide how to make the quick and easy breakfast recipe with eggs and bread at home. Ingredients are pepper powder, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 capsicum, 5 slices bread and ghee. Firstly, cut the bread into small pieces. Broke the eggs into a bowl. Then add half cup of milk in it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Again mix very well. After, put the bread into a bowl and add the mixture of egg in it. Then mix well. Then add pepper powder in it. Mix again well. Then put a pan on a stove. Add some ghee in it. After heating the pan, pour the pizza mixes in it. Then cover the pan very well. Cook both sides in low flame. Then add tomato sauce on it. Slice the capsicum in round shape or place on it. And add sliced ghee in it. Then cover the pan and again cook 2 minutes in low flame. Now we have got very tasty easy breakfast recipe. Let's cut and serve it. It is delicious to eat. Try this tasty recipe and do share your feedback in comment box.